Fractals, structure and splatter chaos, the cognitive architecture of a polymath. Polymaths throughout history embody a dance between fractal structure and splatter chaos. While society tells us to choose one path, the greats, Da Vinci, Franklin, Musk, ignored the rule, allowing their curiosity to scatter across fields in ways that looked chaotic from the outside. Yet beneath that surface-level randomness lived a repeating pattern, a fractal-like structure of learning where each new discipline connected back to deeper principles. Their brains didn't treat knowledge as isolated boxes. They created recursive webs, where every idea branched into others in self-similar ways. What began as chaotic exploration, anatomy mixed with engineering, calligraphy influencing interface design, physics merging with business, eventually organized itself into elegant, scalable insights. This is the essence of cross-domain thinking. Chaos generates the raw collisions. Structure turns those collisions into innovation. The science-backed system for building a polymath brain follows this same duality. Curiosity provides the chaos, rotating topics, pursuing novelty, letting yourself leap unpredictably across domains. But structured curiosity forms the fractal pattern, a tree of inquiry where each new subject becomes another branching point that reinforces the whole system. Mental models deepen this structure, acting as fractal patterns you can apply across infinite contexts, from feedback loops to first principles. But acquiring those models requires the chaos of wandering through unfamiliar fields, reading unexpected books, and allowing your thinking to splatter in unpredictable directions. Even the polymath pyramid reflects the interplay of the two forces. Breadth is chaos, exposing yourself to everything without judgment, scattering ideas like paint. Depth is structure, going so deep into one topic that it forms a stable, repeatable pattern in your mind. Integration is the moment chaos and structure fuse, when wild insights suddenly align into a coherent framework that feels almost inevitable. Teaching and simplifying your knowledge also follow this pattern. The early stages of learning are messy and chaotic, full of confusion and false starts. But teaching forces clarity, turning scattered learning into a structured, fractal-like understanding that can be repeated and scaled. The habits that support polymathic intelligence echo this duality too. Micro-learning builds structure through spaced repetition, while cross-training the mind injects chaos by shifting between logic, art, math, emotion, and randomness. Journaling curiosity forms repeating cognitive patterns, while mind-wandering invites disorder that sparks unexpected insights. Even sleep mirrors the concept. REM cycles take the chaos of new experiences and integrate them into structured neural patterns. Ultimately, the polymath mindset thrives at the intersection of humility and curiosity. Structure requires the humility to recognize how little you know, so the fractal can continue expanding. Chaos requires the courage to feel like a beginner in 10 fields at once, letting confusion and randomness shape you. The polymath life emerges when you stop confining yourself to a single identity and instead let your interests splatter freely, trusting that your mind will eventually weave them into a powerful, unified structure. It's not about choosing one thing, it's about combining everything you love until the world no longer sees you as talented in one area, but as someone who turned chaos into a fractal of brilliance.